You're officially not coming with me.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Do you understand?
Ashley! Look at me!
Let's do it. You need a cardboard, then cut it into a triangle like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 long pieces. Stick on 2 sides. Shut it down. Make 2 things. This tape to connect them together. Very good. Crumple the red paper, then stick it in here. Red color, take a bit to paint the mouth. This white to make the saliva. Now make the tooth. Paint it yellow, add some black. We need many teeth. Stick them all here. Kinda scary. Draw 2 lines of tongue. Cut. Okay. Put the skin parts. Take some black to make it dirty. Done the tongue. Now sketch the dragon. Like this. Paint the colors. Blue for the dots and horns, black for all the face, and to the liner, purple for the eyes, marker next to the pupil, and to the corner of eyes. Some white sparkle dots here. Cut the scissors. Ta-da! Extra 2 fins. Now stick them to finish. Light for eyes. Fix it here.
Freddy, you're supposed to be on lockdown.
Vanessa, life goes on, you know.
I embrace a new man every night. My life's one never-ending carnival. A world of boozy, floozy, flashing light. I want to be that fucked up girl. I want to be that fucked up girl.
Side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
No boundary boredom, no boundary boredom. I can do it, no drinking eyes never open. I see somebody will die, and I hate hoping. Wishing that the pills let you cry, and I hate hoping. Someday I will go back outside and see her.
The thing next to you is gay.
Don't ask questions you don't wanna know. Learn my lesson. Wait till I'm cool.
My beautiful niece is visiting me, and of course we had to create something together. She likes to make paper dragons, so she showed me how to make one. And I showed her how to incorporate elements of nature into her work. It was a long and a very messy process, but we had a lot of fun. She did such a great job. I'm so proud. If you want to see the finished dragons, please go to her profile tag below and show her some love.
You the main attraction. Lights, camera.
Hey guys, just came back from dance class. Michael, what are you doing in my room? Why'd you lock the door? Oh,
First make a video. Now save it. Make another video on the another part. Now click and choose a video.
Save it.
Hey, Italian man. Huh?
What is going on here? Oh! Can you guys shut the f*** up here? Jesus Christ, shut up! What is going on? What's you guys doing?
Can you be quiet? I'm trying to sleep!
Hey, Italian man. Huh?
What is going on here? Oh! Can you guys shut the f*** up here? toma.